Hey, what's up guys? Manny from BidGo Drive, back again with another video, this time of a 2018 Mercedes-Benz GLE 43 AMG that's been fully repaired and is ready to go. I'm going to start off this video by showing you photos of the vehicle fully repaired, and then I'm going to show you the before pictures of the damage. That way you get a better idea of what was damaged, what was repaired. And after the before pictures, we're going to run the video that we took. That way you can really see how nice this truck came out. If you're interested in learning more about this Mercedes, I dropped a link in the description so you can check it out, or you can call our sales department and ask them about stock number 41807. Our phone number is in the description as well. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. I don't want to waste too much of your time, so I'm just going to go through the photos quickly. If you need, you could always pause the video if you want to look at a specific photo for longer. Alright, so let's get started. This is the current status of the vehicle. Okay, now I'm going to show you the before pictures. And now we're going to run the video.
(2018) GLE 43 repaired collision. Had damage to the rear bumper and hatch. The vehicle has been completely repaired. As you can see, it's in excellent condition. It's going to salvage inspection next week. We'll have a rebuilt title for it in a couple days. Be on the website soon.